Today we are going to see a word problem from speed of a sound. A pebble is dropped from a 180-meter tall building. This is not fall. This is a tall building into a lake nearby. When did the sound splash is heard? Given g is 10 meter per second square and speed of the sound is 340 meter per second. Okay. So first thing you have to calculate is the time of the stone fall from top of the building to the lake. Okay. This is the first step. Second step will be when the sound reaching our ear from the fall. This is the second step. Then the total time t1 plus t2. Okay, so we know the formula s is equal to ut plus half gt square. I have made it as d for your calculation to understand that is the distance. Okay, initial velocity is 0, so therefore d is 180 meters. Okay, initial is 0, so that one is 0 plus half into g is 10 into t square, that is t1 square. So this is half into 10 into t1 square. This will cancel. This is 5 and here it is 180. So 180 divided by 5 is equal to t1 square, which is 36 equal to t1 square. When taking the square root, it will become 6 seconds. That is your t1, right? This is your t1. Second step, we have to calculate the sound from the bottom of the lake when it splashed till it hears your ear, right? How much it takes. So here velocity equal to d by t. So velocity how much? It is given 340 meter per second and the distance is 180 meters. By time taken we have to calculate. Okay, so bring the t2 above. So t2 equal to 180 divided by 340, cancel the 0, 18 by 34 is 0.529 seconds. This is your t2, right? Now the total time you have to calculate, because from the fall till it hears. So 2 time you have to calculate. So one is 6 seconds and other one is 0.529 seconds, right? So total is 6.529 seconds, or we will round up to 6.53 seconds. Okay.